Well, hey everybody, my name is Kevin Snyder, and I hope that you are doing well. So just by clicking this video, well, you're interested in becoming a TEDx speaker, or maybe that next viral TED video. I can help. So whether it's a training or whether it's coaching that you're looking for to help you get there, simply reach out to me and learn more. One reason my speaking business catapulted several years ago was because of my TEDx speech. I didn't speak for that reason at TEDx, but it only helped afterward. And even to this day, I still have people who tell me that they've seen my TEDx speech. And that's one of the reasons that they hired me to present a keynote or a workshop for their organization. So think about how that can help you, becoming a TEDx speaker, impact your speaking business and your brand. Now, a couple other things real quick. Since then, since I spoke at TEDx myself, I've actually been involved with many TEDx events. I've actually been the head organizer, what they call a curator, for TEDx Raleigh here in Raleigh, North Carolina. It was a sold-out crowd, a special event, and I learned so much about that opportunity. But also, I've been able to be on the executive board and be a speaker coach for numerous other TEDx speakers. And that's how I can help you. So one of the things that I do in my TEDx speaker coaching and in my training is I will help you find those TEDx events that are looking for speakers. I'll explain the different process. I'll share with you how that there are thousands of events every single year for TEDx where you might have an opportunity to present. And in addition to finding those opportunities, I'll also help you actually prepare to submit an application so that when you reach out, that is your best first impression. I'll also share with you an application that I guarantee you will prepare you to be ready for other TEDx events. You have this application ready, you'll be prepared to be successful. So whether it's training or whether it's one-on-one coaching, I look forward to helping you become a TEDx speaker and achieving your speaking goals. Just reach out. All right, take care. Bye.